Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the headphones and confirming a charged battery. Low power can mute audio. Once done, disconnect any paired Bluetooth devices and try a wired connection or pair with a second phone to isolate the source. Make sure physical connections and the aux port are clean and intact. Visible debris or a bent plug can break contact. You're eliminating obvious hardware and connection issues fast, so the deeper troubleshooting that follows targets the real cause. Now you handle the software side. Forget the headphones on your phone, then repair to clear corrupt profiles. Once paired, make sure the source routes audio to the headphones, select them in output settings, and verify app-level volume and mute states. If you still hear nothing, check codec compatibility and update the headphone firmware via the JBL app, and update your phone or laptop OS to remove known bugs. These steps fix driver, profile, and firmware causes of no sound. For advanced fixes, perform a factory reset on the headphones to restore default settings. This clears persistent firmware glitches. Once done, run mono or channel swap tests and try multiple sources to confirm whether a speaker driver or the internal amp has failed. If one side is dead or resets don't help, document symptoms, serial number, and purchase date. Then contact JBL support or seek warranty repair. If everything else fails, that key troubleshooting tip is to avoid DIY disassembly. It often voids warranty and risks more damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.